Hey, I'm one of the board chick ones, and I'm here to make a video of me making myself sneeze because I've been watching them on YouTube and they look so cool. So might as well do something for an upload. So first thing that really makes me sneeze is this. Which is basically a piece of that rolled up like this. So, that's how we're gonna do it, and hopefully you like. You just take this thingy right here, put it up till you hit that tickle spot. Just tickle it real hard. I think that's it for now. Oh, my gosh. I'm gonna try it on the other one. Taking a little while to react on this one. Alright, well, that's the end of it for now. So, leave me comments, views, and likes and stuff, and leave me requests in the comment box so you could tell me what else that me or just me and my partner should do. So, yeah. I hope you liked it.